Okay, this is the Flootman Gardens, giving you the grand tour on a video. Just did up some fall containers. There's my fuchsia. Some black-eyed Susans in the background. This is our side garden. This is our beautiful Rose of Sharon. There's a Ligulera, I believe. Some sedums. Then we go to the back of the house. A lot of stuff is still blooming so beautifully. Beside our garden shed. Some fall containers I just did up yesterday. This is our patio. Gonna redo some containers when I get some fall plants in. Our salvia is awesome. This is one of our hydrangeas, and they change color. And here's another one. Just love it. These gardens are flowing really nicely this year. I just love it. These are some more hydrangeas by our deck. And we're redoing all around the deck this fall to figure out some planting ideas yet. Black-eyed Susan. It's our deck. The geraniums. It's like, wow. And this is our project for the fall. Revamping the side. Moving the peonies. It's my annual bed. A lot of blooms. Asters, zinnias, salvias, snapdragons. This is coming out. These are geraniums and begonias. We went with big pots. fall container. This is our entrance to the house. Some mums. Coleus. Let's see if that blooms for me this year. Okay, there we go. Oh, there's Pumpkin who escaped. Hi. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the video. You gonna help me? Wave, Harry.
Hello.
And this is our views from our front steps. I think Pumpkin wants in already. You were just... What? 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 Hey? What's up? Okay, there we go.